Hi guys! So,
hi.
Today I'm with Franz and welcome to
The jungle.
the jungle, yeah, welcome to the jungle. So today we are in the middle of basically nowhere, and we are about to go deeper in the nowhere
Yeah.
because we found an entrance into the unknown basically. So let's go there. I hear some water, so wait, yeah, I think there are some waterfalls and stuff,
And there are also some snakes here.
yeah, here is a lot, is full of snakes, so I gotta catch one and show you.
No,
Yeah, 'cause today
it's
I'm like
crazy,
Steve
it's
Irwin.
crazy.
Yeah, he's scared of snakes. I'm like Steve Irwin, the guy that died with crocodiles and is not the best, you know. But see you there. This place looks lit. Look,
You're crazy.
I'm crazy. You say I'm crazy, I'm not crazy. Look, there is some water here. Damn! Jesus Christ, snakes!
No, I wanna go away! I wanna go away!
This looks like some Star Wars stuff, you know? Hi there, so we arrived at the spot, and what you see right there is some kind of stratification due to the flowing of water in this valley basically. And the softer rock was eroded by the water basically, and you see that thing. And now the best thing to do, you know what it is? It's this. I'm gonna fly through all this valley and let's see what happens. Down there is some water, and this is waterproof, so I hope, you know, I don't lose it. Bye. So we are done here, and I tried to power loop that thing, but I broke my drone basically, and not great because I changed my sticks, so I don't have the sensibility I had before. And now we are going away because tomorrow I have to film another episode of Rimzler Into the Wild. So bye. Oh wait. Bye.